الحمد لله الذي خلق السماوات والأرض في 6 أيام ثم استوى على العرش يدبر الأمر يفسر الآية والصلاة والسلام على رسوله الكريم وعلى آله وأصحابه أجمعين. Dear audience and spectators, I am citing a verses from the Holy Quran from the chapter 5 named Ma'idah, 82 verse. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم لتجدن أشد الناس عداوة للذين آمنوا اليهود والذين أشركوا ولتجدن أقربهم مودة للذين آمنوا الذين قالوا إنا نصارى ذلك بأن منهم قسيسين ورهبانا وأنهم لا يستكبرون. In this verse, the creator of the universe, Allah, says that among mankind, the most enemy, the sole enemy of believers are those Jews who are fascist, and Hindus who are fascist, and Christians who are fascist. So you see, لَتَجِدَنَّ أَشَدَّ النَّاسِ عَدَاوَةً لِلَّذِينَ آمَنُوا الْيَهُودَ وَالَّذِينَ أَشْرَكُوا. You will find the sole enemy among mankind for the believers are the fascist Jews and the fascist Hindus who worship idols. And you will find very kind in nature those for believers are Christian. This is the cause that there are pious priests and monks, and they have no arrogancy. In this verse, Allah Ta'ala says that the Jews, the fascist Jews, who deported from the Europe and America and established with a state in Middle East and having a Hitleric attitude toward Muslims, the present Israeli state, who is killing innocent children, innocent women, and innocent Muslims by bombing from the air. They are killing. They have no sense of humanity in their head. What they are doing? They are doing such crime against humanity that the humanity cannot pardon them. So humanity should rise up against them. In the East, in India, you will find the fascist Hindus who are in the name of political party BJP and in the name of religious group RSS. Those are the sole enemy to the believers, Allah believers, Muslim. They cannot tolerate Muslim only for religious cause. Only for religious cause they are not tolerating. They are abolishing, destroying mosques in India by government entrepreneurs. You will see Modi and his BCB leaders are using the military force and other force for destroying mosques. They are beating, they are killing for praying to Allah. So what is it? Can you think humanity is going where? We have to raise our voice against those animals. I call them animals because they have no humanity in them, because they do not want to tolerate any religious sect, any religious group, any other religion. So we have to rise up to stand against those animals. Modi, his BJP, and the youth Netanyahu, led by Netanyahu, who are killing innocent Muslims. You are seeing that innocent babies and children and women are collapsing upon them building by bombardment by the Netanyahu's air forces. What are they doing? Are they doing crimes against humanity? Yo, mankind, rise up. Let us be united in this motto, in this aim, in this object, that every human being have the right to follow his own religion. We cannot torture, inflict any kind of embarrassment or any kind of animosity for practicing religious beliefs and religious traditions. We have to save mankind for admitting the freedom of all people, the religious beliefs and religious activities. But the Modi, the fascist Modi and his party BJP, fascist BJP, and the Jews, the fascist Jews who are killing innocent mankind, we have to raise our voice against them. We should unite all other mankind against those fascists. We have to stop them or eradicate them from the surface of the earth by our combined power and combined voice. So, save humanity, come forward. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.